Hey guys, my name is Din Ginto from dinonlinepitch.com and you're watching one of my review videos of the new product launches for online training and software products. Now stick around with me here because I'll be making a review about this new product launch called Slingshot. Stay tuned. Now in today's video, I'll be making a review and demo of how Slingshot works, and I will be showing you inside of the members area so you'll get to see a sneak peek of what's inside the content so you'll know what to expect when you decide to purchase this product. And I'm also going to be offering you my free bonuses to those of you who are sticking around to watch my review video of this new product launch. Now these bonuses, by the way, are super valuable, that it will benefit you in the long run because it has wealth of information that are very helpful for you to learn some of the techniques on how to scale up your online business without wasting any more time. So let's cut to the chase, and I'm going to give you a run through of what the Slingshot methods are. So basically, to put it briefly, Slingshot is actually the world's first app that lets you instantly slingshot any link of your choice to up to 122 million visitors. Now with just 2 clicks, and these aren't any ordinary visitors. This is an untapped source of buyers that are willing to hand you money. So it's no surprise that it's making you up to about 900 per day on autopilot. Now, do you have a couple of extra minutes to work on this? Now, this is your chance because it's all the time that you need with this brand new income system. Now, I want to talk about the benefits of this product because I will be showing you inside of the members area so that I can show you what I'm talking about with this product. Now, the benefit of this product is that Slingshot does everything for you, so you are guaranteed for free traffic, and your experience level does not matter. You could be a newbie or a beginner, and you can actually learn from this method because Slingshot does all the heavy lifting for you, and it's got the powerful two-click technology. Automates all the hard work for you, which means you can't really mess this up. It's self-explanatory. You're gonna learn quickly with how this method works. So whether you have like no experience at all, or if you have a couple of years experience with online marketing, then this should work for you. And all you gotta do is just activate this program and everything else will fall into place. Now I'm gonna show you inside of the members area. So over here is I'm going to show you the demo of how this works. Now I'm here inside of the members area of Slingshot. So right over here is the main dashboard of Slingshot. So all you got to do is play the demo of how this works so you'll get an understanding on how to use this program. And over here is where you do integrations of where you can actually do a YouTube API key and the Vimeo access token here. So you can copy and paste it so you can integrate this to the YouTube API key and the Vimeo access token. And over here is where you can actually search videos. So all you gotta do is type in any videos that you'd like to search and then hit search here. And over here is where you can find all your saved videos that you've searched over here. So as you can see here, I've searched a couple of videos here, and it's gonna actually show up from the save videos option here. And this one is where it's gonna let you create a website. So this is what you call a website builder here, so bear in mind. Okay, I thought it was gonna run slowly, but this is where you can download WordPress theme and download the WordPress plugin. So over here is where you can actually build your own website using WordPress. It's really easy to use, and the reason why they pick WordPress is it's very user friendly and it's going to help you get started right away. So this is where you can actually download the theme of your website using WordPress. And here is the plugins that you can access to create WordPress. And here are the available upgrades that for you to check out here. So as you can see, I'm gonna actually post all the upgrades available for you to, excuse me, these are the upgrades that I'm gonna be posting onto my bonus page that you can check out onto my link down below in the description. I'm so sorry. Down and below in the description of this video. And if you have any questions about Slingshot software, all you can do is access to support, and they're more than happy to answer any of your questions. So basically, you can actually send them an email, and then okay. So all you got to do is send them an email, ask them a question about this program, then they'll be able to give you an answer right away. So I forgot to explain to you the training of this one here. So so pretty much here is the over here is the premium training that you can actually check out first prior to starting searching for videos, saving your video, and then you create a website. So you can just plug in all this stuff here and you can start promoting your affiliate offers just like that. And then right over here is you can hit next. Once you play this first video, I was going to show you a demo. Hit next once you finish watching the first video. Over here, here is going to be a training of how you can use this program here. More stuff that he's going to explain how this works. Then next would be a third video of he's going to explain more about what happens next as soon as you finish watching the second video, then third, and then the fourth video, and so on. So all you gotta do is just go through each of the training, just follow each of the steps of the training so that it's going to give you a bigger picture of how this works. And as you can see here, he's actually explaining, this is ClickBank over here. So he's actually going to explain to you how you can get offers of ClickBank. So pretty much it's actually going to show you a step-by-step training on how to create ClickBank offers and apply the methods over here onto the left side, and then up until you can create your own website and then get traffic and you can start earning affiliate offers that way. So this is pretty much a business online method on how to create an online business marketing so that you can send offers to using ClickBank with this overall method of how you can apply the videos, put it into a WordPress website, and then just all you got to do is just follow the training, apply what you learn, and then you can start applying the training that you've learned, and that's how you can pretty much start sending offers or pretty much send the offers to your social media. And just all you gotta do is just watch the trainings so that you'll get an understanding on how you can start promoting your own website with ClickBank offers. Now that's pretty much it. So this is what the Slingshot program all about. So I hope you enjoy this demo here, and once you purchase Slingshot program, you can actually gain an understanding by watching the training, and then as soon as you watch the training, then you'll have an understanding on how you can apply all this stuff and start promoting your ClickBank offers. Now I've also put together a ton of custom bonuses for those of you who like to pick this up by my link, which is down below in the description of this video. If you click on the link, it's going to bring you through to my bonus page, which looks like this. And if you want to pick up Slingshot, this is going to go live on August 5th. That's when you'll be able to click on any of these orange buttons here to go through to the sales page, which looks like this. And then right over here, it is where you can go ahead and pick this up. Now you need to pick up before the countdown timer runs out onto my bonus page here, because when my countdown timer runs out, then all of my bonuses will disappear, and I don't want you well, basically this is so obviously something that I don't want you to miss out on. So over here are my bonuses that I'm offering to you. So basically, to claim these bonuses, they are 100% free of charge and instantly delivers to you. All you need to do, first of all, is click on that link down below in the description that comes through to my bonus page here. And all you gotta do is scroll down and then click on any of these orange buttons here to go through to the sales page, where you can go ahead and pick this up. And now if you have any questions about this, please feel free to follow me on my Facebook page over here, and feel free to send me a message right there, and I'm more than happy to answer any of your questions. Now, these bonuses I'm offering to you that I just mentioned to you earlier is completely free of charge, even if you just pick up the front end, which is at the time of recording this video is only going to be one-time price of $17. And also you can upgrade your front end purchase for those of you who are interested in scaling up your online marketing needs, so you can get more access to the upgrades to help meet your needs for your online business. So over here is you're gonna find the information of the upgrades down below in the description of my video is the link that you're gonna see on the very top. All you gotta do is click on that link, and it's gonna bring you through to my bonus page here, and just scroll down until you find this information over here. So these are all the available upgrades of your choice. This is pretty much optional, but feel free to check out the available upgrades for Slingshot so that you can get the feel and read more information about the upgrades for this product. Now, when you click the link down below in the description of this video to purchase Slingshot, I will offer you my free bonuses. Now, this is my way of saying thank you so much for taking the time to watch my review videos. So after purchasing through my link, I will give you my free bonuses. So make sure to click the link below in the description of my videos. And if you have any questions about the bonuses, now please feel free to follow me on my Facebook page, which you will find down below in the description of any of my review videos, or in my YouTube About Me section, and you can send me a message right there. Now remember, the early bird pricing is frozen at $17 during the launch period of Slingshot. Now once again, don't forget to check out my bonuses because they are super valuable, and it's only going to be available for the first 3 days of the launch, and it's going to be removed at 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on August 8th. So make sure to look out for that when you pick this up. Now all of my bonuses are all included, even if you just buy the front end, which is only going to be one-time price of $17. So that brings me to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching my Slingshot review. Now I hope you enjoyed my review video, and make sure to click the link below to purchase Slingshot at the discounted price. And also don't forget to pick my free bonuses that you can check out down below in the description of this video. Now I'll see you guys on my next video, and thanks again for watching my review video. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on the next video.